Now observe sir here, and now today we'll go with multimedia tags. Okay, now here there are mainly three types of multimedia tags. There are three types. Okay, now there are three types of multimedia tags. The first one is image tag, and the second one is video tag, and the third one is audio tag. Image tag, video tag, audio tag. Now first we'll go with image tag. Okay, now here first we'll go with image tag. Now observe are here. Why we are using image tag? Okay, now here image tag is used to add image to the web page. Okay, now observe are here. I'll add one image here. We can add images in two ways, sir. One, if you want, you can take here online images also, you can take offline images also, you can take. Okay, now here I'll create one new file. Here I'll take one new file. Here I'll go with multimedia dot.html. Okay, now multimedia dot.html. So here I am adding the structure of that page. Okay, now structure of the HTML. This is the structure of the HTML. Okay, now now observe sir, here I am adding that image tag. Here in that image tag, here we have mainly two attributes. One is a source and alt. Source, in that source attribute, here we have to paste image path. In that alternate attribute, here we have to paste alternate name. Okay, now here I am not using any source. Okay, now here I am not paste any image. Directly here I am using alternate name. Here I will go with newsen. And now observe sir, here one broken image and alternate name will be print. And now observe here, I'll execute this. I'll paste it in that Chrome. And now observe sir, here output newsen and one like a newsen alternate name and broken image is printed. Okay, now here I am trying to add one image. Okay, now I'll take one image. I'll go with Virat Kohli. Okay, now here I am taking one Virat Kohli image and I'll add and I'll paste it. I'll show you, sir. Okay, now so here for example I want to add this image. Copy image address one option is there here. Okay, now you observe that copy image address and I am pasting that image address in that source path. Now observe sir, here that image will be printed. Now alternate won't display. Okay, now whenever your image is not added, then alternate will be displayed. And now observe here, I'll refresh. Image is added now. Image is added. Now here, observe sir, here I'll paste it here. This is the syntax for image tag. Okay, now syntax for image tag. This is the path, sir, image path. Okay, now 2 KB image path. Now observe sir, in that image path, here we have two attributes. What are the two attributes? Like what are the attributes in image tag, sir? Source and alternate. Okay, now here I am writing attributes of image tag. Okay, now attributes of image tag. What are the attributes of image tag? The first one is a source and second one is alternate. Here we have another two attributes also is there, that is a height and width. Here we can increase the height and decrease the width also. Okay, now and now here I am using one attribute. Okay, now first here I will go with height attribute. Okay, now and now observe sir, here otherwise starting only I'll write. Here I am using height attribute. Here I will go with height is equal to, I want some 100 pixel height. Next here I will go with the width. Width also here I will go with some 100 pixel height and 100 pixel width. And now observe sir, here that image is size is reduced now. So like that here we can increase the height of the image and we can decrease also. Okay, now what are the attributes we are using in image tags are height, width, source, alternate. Okay na. Next after that we'll go with the second one, that is a video tag. Okay na, video tag. Now why we are using this video tag? Okay na, what are the attributes in that video tag, that we'll discuss. Okay na, video tag is used to add video to the web page, okay na. Before that now observe sir here, once observe this image tag. Okay na, here I am adding another one image tag. Okay na, this image tag is having only opening brace. Okay na, this image tag is having only opening brace. Now tell me, this image tag is a paired tag or unpaired tag? Unpaired tag. Why sir? The tag which is having only opening brace, that type of tags is known as a unpaired tag. Okay na, so here I am writing that point also. Now observe sir, here image tag is a unpaired tag. Image tag is unpaired tag. Okay na, image tag is a unpaired tag. After that now we'll see that video tag also. Okay na, I'll remove this stuff now, and now here I'll go with the video tag. Now observe here, this video tag having opening brace and closing brace. Now tell me, video tag is a paired or unpaired? Video tag is paired tag. Now observe sir, here we have one attribute called source attribute. In that attribute, here we have to paste that video path. Okay now, for example, here my laptop few movies is there. I'll add one movie and I'll show you. For example, I'll go with videos, like a Pushpa movie is there. Okay now, how to add that movie also? Now observe sir, right click. Okay now, right click on that movie. Here one option is there, copy as path. Okay now, copy as path. Just you copy that path. Okay now, copy that path and paste it in source. Okay na, that's it sir. Okay na, you have to copy the path and paste it in a source attribute. Now observe here that now video won't place. Okay na, video is not playing, but here one image path, like a video path, will be open. Now observe sir, here I'll refresh, like that video is came, but it's not, we can't play. Why? Because in that video tag one very important attribute is there, that is a controls attribute. Not only video sir, here video and audio tag, here we have two important attribute. Okay now, that is a controls attribute. Here we have to use controls attributes. Okay now, observe here I am using controls attribute. Now video will be play. Okay now, and now observe sir, here I'll execute and I'll show you. I'll refresh, and now observe sir, here like this. Now we can see this movie also. Okay na, like that we can add movies. Okay na, that's it sir. Now observe here, after that here what are the attributes I said in that video tag? Source attribute and controls attribute. In that video tag also, here we have height and width attributes sir. Okay now, here if you want fit that height and width also, we can use. Here height I will go with some 200 pixel. Okay now, then width also I'll go with some 200 pixel. Height 200 pixel, width 200 pixel. And now observe sir, here I'll execute, I'll refresh. Yeah, now observe here, this is the 200 pixel height and width. Okay now, if you want full screen, just you click this, that's it. Okay na,